Good morning, students. Welcome to you again in this session. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 3, cloth material fibers to fabric. In our last session, we have discussed about cotton, a natural fiber, how cotton is obtained. Today we are going to discuss about jute, how jute is obtained. Now, as you all know that jute is a natural fiber that is obtained from the stem of jute plant. Jute is used for making ropes, mats, strong packing material like gun bags, carpets, jute bags and decorative articles. It is one of the cheapest natural fiber. It is also known as golden fiber. Now, where is jute grown in India? Jute is mainly grown in India, in Meghalaya, Bihar, Assam, West Bengal and Odisha. Now, next question, very important question. How is jute obtained? Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of jute plant. The plant is harvesting at the flowering stage. Once harvested, the stem of plant are cut and kept in the water for some days, and gradually the stem rot. The fiber are then separated by hands. Now, another question arises, what type of a climate and soil are required for growing jute plant? For growing jute plant, warm and humid climate is the best climate for growing jute plant. Jute grows best in well-drained fertile soil. High temperature favors the growth of jute plant. Now, our next topic is wool and silk. Wool and silk are called animal fibers because wool is obtained from sheep, camels, rabbit, while silk is obtained from silkworms. Silk is a natural fiber. It is obtained from silkworm cocoon that larva of a silkworm spin around itself. Silk is a strong, shiny and keeps our body warm in the cold weather. It is also used to make saris, ties, suit, scarves, etc. It is good absorbent of heat. Rearing of silkworm for the production of silk is called sericulture. Wool is a natural fiber. While wool is also a natural fiber, it is mainly obtained from sheep. It is warm to wear and is good absorbent of heat. Wool is used in making sweaters, mufflers, shawls, scarves, gloves, blankets, etc. Why it is used for making such woolen material? Because it traps the air between its fibers and does not allow the heat from our body to escape out. We therefore feel warm when we wear woolen clothes. Now next we are going to move on our next topic, that is synthetic fibers. Now synthetic fibers, in this topic we are first question is what synthetic fibers are. Synthetic fibers are made by scientists to improve the quality of naturally occurring products that we are going to obtain from animals and plants. Now, what are the uses of synthetic fibers? Number one, synthetic fibers are used to make clothes, for making car seat belts, ropes. It is used for making ropes for climbing the rocks, for making our raincoats, and all sort of waterproof material are going to be prepared by the material of synthetic fibers. Why now so many uses are there of synthetic fiber? Why it is used? Because it has so many advantages. Advantages, number one, it is more durable and than natural fiber. It dries up quickly. They are wrinkle free, so they do not require ironing. They are resistant to chemicals. They are strong, so can take up heavy things. They are less expensive. They retain their shape. But still there are few disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Number one, they burn readily. Actually, they catches fire very easily. They do not absorb our sweat. They can cause skin allergy. They are non-biodegradable, or we can say that they causes environmental pollution. Now our last topic of the chapter is development of clothing material. All of you know that in ancient times, the early man used to wear leaves on their skins, and or they are going to use fur of animals to cover their body. Gradually they learned to weave the grasses and twigs to make baskets or mats. They also learned that some plant materials such as cotton, balls and or stems of jute plants could spun into fiber. These fibers could then be used to weave clothes. As the time passes, the another plant called flax, which too known as natural fiber, was also grown by ancient Egyptians. People simply draped these fabrics to cover their body, as stitching was not known at that time because they are not know how to attach the clothes with each other. So flax is also known as another name by linen. Flax plant produces the fabric for linen cloth. Linen is a fresh and cool to wear. Linen has been used for thousands of years. Traces of uses linen have been dated as far as 8000 BC. Even mummies of Egyptian graves have been found wrapped in linen. India, Holland, China, Belgium are currently the major flax producing countries. So guys, that's all for the chapter. We are going to meet in our next session, or I'm going to send you a PDF file of the question answers of this chapter in my next video. Till then, thank you.